Uh, Article 12, Article 12 circumstances which exempt from criminal liability, and the following are: number one, an imbecile or an insane person, unless the latter has a lucid interval. when when the when the imbecile or an insane person has which the law defines as a felony delito, and the court shall order his confinement and order the hospitals or asylums for person afflicted, and he shall not be permitted to live without obtaining the permission or the same court. And the number two, person under 9 years of age. And the number 3 of Article 12, a person over 9 years of age, under 15, he has acted with the discernment, in which case such shall be proceed against in accordance with the provision of Article 80 of this code. And when such minor adjudged criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the provision of this and preceding paragraph, shall commit him to his surveillance and education otherwise, and he shall be committed to the care of some institution or a person mentioned in said Article 80. And number 4 of Article 12, circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. Any person who performing a lawful act with due care and causes an injury by mere accident without fault or intention of causing it. And number 5 of Article 12, any person who acts under compulsion forced. And number 6, any person who acts under the impulse of an controllable fear of an equal injury. And the last is number 7 of Article 12, any person who fails to perform an act required by law when prevented by some lawful insuperiable cause.